Welcome to Fun Maths. Today we'll be looking at a factorization problem and looking for an easy solution to it. The question says factorize x to the power of 6 minus 1. So how do we factorize this problem? First of all, let's see if we can break it down. X to the power of 6 is the same thing as x to the power of 2 times 3, right? So that's x to the power of 6 minus 1, and this is minus 1. This can also be written as x to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 3 minus 1. Alright, now if I say this is 1 to the power of 3, it will still be correct, right? So I'm going to write this as x squared all to the power of 3 minus 1 to the power of 3. So I have the same power for the both of them. Why did I write something like that? If you have a cube minus b cube, is the same thing as a minus b multiplying a squared plus ab plus b squared. If you expand this, we'll come back to a cube minus b cube. So I'm going to be using that knowledge to rewrite what I have here. So x squared all to the power of 3 minus 1 to the power of 3 is equal to a minus b, which is s squared minus 1. And then a squared is x squared all squared. So it will be s squared square plus ab s square, b is 1 times 1, which will also be x squared, and then plus b square, which is 1 square. So it will be plus 1 square if you so wish. All right, so now we have s square minus 1 and we have this. This is also written as s square minus 1 multiplying 2 times 2 is 4, right? So this is x to the power of 4 plus s square plus 1. Now, I'm going to work on this and this differently, and then if I bring them together, I would have factorized it. X squared minus 1 can also be written as x squared minus 1 squared. Okay, if you square 1, it's still going to give you back 1. Now, this can be factorized using what we call difference of two squares. Okay, we are subtracting and both of them are squares. So difference of two squares says if you have a squared minus b squared is the same thing as a minus b multiplying a plus b. Okay, so it means that x squared minus 1 squared is the same thing as x minus 1, because in this case x is a and 1 is b. X minus 1 multiplying x plus 1. All right, so it means that we factored this. Now let's work on x to the power of 4 plus s squared plus 1. Now x to the power of 4 plus s squared plus 1, I'm going to be doing some manipulation here, so just watch along. This can also be written as x to the power of 4. S squared can be 2s squared minus x squared. 2 minus 1 is 1, right? And the coefficient here is 1. So I'm going to rewrite this as plus 2s squared minus s squared plus 1. So next, what we have is try to rearrange it. You'll see what I want to work on now. This is x to the power of 4. Instead of s, before s squared, I'm going to write 1 plus 2s squared plus 1 minus x squared. All right, so there's a confusion here. How do we proceed with the knowledge we have here? Well, if you had x squared plus 1, right, and you are squaring this, this is the same thing as s squared plus 1 times s squared plus 1. S squared times its f is s to the power of 4. S squared times x is x squared. 1 times s squared is s squared. And 1 times 1 is 1. Now, this is equal to s to the power of 4 plus x squared plus s squared is 2x squared, and then plus 1. What we have here is the same thing as what we have here. So it means that what we have as x to the power of 4 plus 2x squared plus 1 is x squared plus 1 all squared. So it means I can write x to the power of 4 plus s squared plus 1 as equal to s squared plus 1 all square. Don't forget we still have minus x squared. So minus x squared. Is that all? Remember, we did something called difference of two squares. There is a square here, there's a square here, and there is a negative in between. Same thing, there's a square for this bracket, there's a square here, and there's a negative separating it. That's what we call difference of two squares. So by difference of two squares, this can be written as x squared plus 1 minus x. Okay, put this in a bracket. Also, x squared plus 1, if you so wish, put this in a bracket, plus x. Alright, so let me open this. I can say x squared plus 1 minus x, and then x squared plus 1 plus x. Or if you want to rearrange, x squared minus x plus 1, x squared plus x plus 1. So I've successfully factorized this and also factorized this. So what is the final answer? The final answer from the question x to the power of 6 minus 1 is equal to x squared minus 1, which gave us this x minus 1, x plus 1. Now also multiplying this part, which we've defined to be this. So multiplying x squared minus x plus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1. Well, that is how we factorize. Till we meet again, do well to subscribe now and share this video, like this video, follow me for more videos. It is goodbye from me.